Hello, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to teach you how to log in into Google Classroom when you're at home. So you're going to go to Google Chrome. So this is what the icon looks like right here at the bottom of the screen here. And whenever you click on it, you're going to be brought to a window like this. So now, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Classroom. So you want to go to classroom.google.com. Now, since you are not signed in, it will bring you to a page like this. You want to go to right here where it says sign in, and you want to click on Google Classroom. Then you're going to want to type in your email address from school. Whenever you complete it, you should have your email address on here. And you can pause the video if needed. So you're going to want to click next. And you are going to have to type in your email address in again, since you have not signed in this account on your home computer. So now you have typed in your email address, and then you're going to want to click next. So you're going to want to enter your password, which should be your school password, same as it is in school. And then you're going to click sign in. Click continue. And now you have accessed Google Classroom from your home. I hope this video has helped you. And yeah, have a nice day, everybody. Bye.